Hi folks, Paul here. Time for a general update. It's been a long time since my last video, mainly because I've kind of run out of decent cameras. I managed to destroy one on my big bike ride. Actually, I destroyed two cameras on that. Destroyed a GoPro as well. And the other one got stolen out of a car, so I'm now down to using this camera here, Panasonic. What is it? A DMC TZ20. And this one has a slightly dodgy focus, so I apologise if it doesn't look that flash. Anyway, I have been busy, and I'll just give you an update on where things are at. So, I have upgraded my solar charge controller to a MPP Solar PCM60X unit. The beauty of this one is it is a bit gruntier. It's a bigger unit than my previous cheap little units, and also this can run at 12, 24 or 48 volts, and that means that I've got a pathway to upgrading from my current 24 volt system up to 48 volts, so that will be nice. I've added a watt meter, power meter. Actually, I've added two power meters. I've also got this one over here that you may have seen on Jehu's channel. That is quite nice. I've been harvesting more laptop batteries. I have been upgrading the design on my battery holders. I've been harvesting e-bike batteries and repurposing those for running my go-kart, my electric go-kart and lawnmower. More batteries, some of them are okay. I managed to blow up another iCharger, which is getting a bit painful, and I'm about to sell off some of my high internal resistance cells, trying to clear out the shelves of all the batteries that I'm not going to use. And so that is a general update for now. Oh, one more thing. I have got myself a new server rack. It's quite a big one, as you can see. The old one didn't have a door or sides, whereas this one does. So I'm going to make myself some sliding shelves and do something a little bit like Average Joe. He's got a really nice set of sliding racks on his system, and I haven't found a source for those yet that isn't extremely expensive. So working on that as well. That is my general update. Alright, well thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Cheers!